We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today, since it's already the month of May, and there's a big holiday for the Chinese, and that is what we call the Dragon Boat Festival. 其实在英文里面呢，我们不叫端午节，就直接就是所谓的划龙舟节。外国人才听得比较懂。划龙舟 Dragon Boat Festival is coming up. Basically, we would like to use this opportunity to teach people about things and words that you will find during this big holiday here, again, in the Chinese cultures. 那简单一点啦，就从端午节开始咯。端午节到底怎么说呢？
OK， 端午节客家話講到五月節。
五月節 which actually means holiday during May. 五月 is the fifth month of the year. 五月節就是所謂的端午節。Okay, so that's Dragon Boat Festival. Again, it's 五月節。During Dragon Boat Festival, you have to eat these lovely, delicious, but very high-calorie rice dumplings. 肉粽是大家的所爱。
粽誒，
粽誒，
粽誒啊，
粽誒就粽子是不是？Okay, so that's rice dumplings, which, by the way, it's wrapped in these leaves. They have this aroma that is just, you just want to taste it when you smell it. Also, during Dragon Boat Festival, you'll see these things that are sold at markets, and it's like a fragrance pack. 其实常常我们会看到一些香包。香包怎么说呢？
香包。
香包 that's fragrance pack. And finally, 再回到吃的，我现在越讲越肚子饿。其实粽子里面也有分很多粽子，
有甜的啊，有鹹嘅啊。
甜的跟鹹的。
甜嘅話叫做忌粽。
忌粽，這個是甜的，是不是？
問同事。
要問同事，沒有人會回答。我們現在很少客家人。問
同事是要沾糖吃。
跟他台語啊。問沾嘛，問同事。忌粽就是甜粽，要沾糖吃就對了。Okay, so rice dumplings, there's the salty type and there's the sweet type. And for the sweet type, you have to dip it in sugar, which is it's really a nice dessert. 那如果是鹹粽的話，就鹹粽。鹹粽，大家想到的是鹹粽。
記得哈。
Okay.
忌粽要問同事。
好，我會常常問同事。There you go. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.